In this video, we're going to take a look at an enhanced for loop in Python and build a vowel counter. So an enhanced for loop traverses through data, which can be looped through. An example of this would be a string, a list, a set, a dictionary, anything that has data with certain indexes. Now, computer is a string which we're going to use. When a for each loop runs, it iterates through every single index. It's going to start at 0 and deal with the C. Then, once it deals with the C, it's going to move on into index 1, which is going to be an O, then index 2, which is the M, then index 3, then it goes to index 4, then it goes to index 5, then it goes to index 6, and then index 7. It traverses from beginning all the way to the end. When it reaches the end, it exits that for loop. So for this one, there are 8 indexes, the lowest index being 0, the highest being 7. So let's program an enhanced for loop and build a vowel counter to implement this. The first thing I need is a word from the user. So we're simply going to tell the user to please enter a word. Now, one thing you might be saying right away is, oh, I need letters and I can build a list from word. You don't need to do that because with an enhanced for loop, we can iterate through each letter inside the string word. Now, something else you may be saying is, oh, well, I need a list of vowels. So I need to create a list of vowels. You don't need to even create a list of vowels, and here's why. When you create a list of vowels, not only do you need to iterate through each character inside the word, now for each letter inside word, you have to iterate through A, E, I, O, U. That's going to make your code a lot more complicated to write. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a string A, E, I, O, U, and we're going to use if end to see is the letter from the word inside the vowel string. So we're going to do total equals 0. That'll keep track of how many vowels there are. Now let's construct our enhanced for loop. For letter. For each letter inside my word, what do I want to do? This is a variable, letter. And what I'm saying is I'm going to iterate through word and I'm going to store each of those inside letter. That's all that it's doing. I can call letter whatever I want. Now let's use the if in. If letter is inside the vowels, then all I need to do is I need to increment total. That's it. And then I print and I say there are, or the total vowels are, and then I'm going to put a comma and I put total. All right, let's run this. Let's use computer and it should come out with 3. So please enter a word. We're going to say computer. The total vowels, 3. That is how you construct and use an enhanced for loop in Python. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help the channel grow, and we'll see you guys in the next programming video.